Hello everyone. Welcome to the second episode. In today's video, we will learn how to make a video chat app using our mobile phones. Let's jump in. I am using an AppGeyser for this app. When you open the app, click on Create an app for free. Then click Video Calls and Chat and continue. Click on Next, and right now I am going to leave everything as default. Type your app name and click Next. Click Create and then sign in with your email and password, but right now I will sign in by Google account and I will choose the account I want to sign in with, then click Create. Leave the premium plan for now and click the download icon and your app should download automatically. Neglect this warning file might be harmful and click download. Anyway, then after you successfully downloaded, click install. Congratulations, you have successfully created a video chat and messaging app. Hello everyone. Please show me love by considering subscribing to my YouTube channel. YouTube algorithms show that 90% of people watching my channel do not subscribe and like my video. If you find my video interesting, please share, like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks.